Expedite your journey from data silos to AI readiness. Introducing Findability.Accelerate, a new framework for long-term enterprise AI adoption. Findability.Accelerate gives guaranteed data-centric impact with information architecture, third-party platform plugins, and cost-effective tech talent. Customers have attributed an 8% revenue gain and 20% cost savings. On average, the financial gain for many customers has been $3 million during the first year and $18 million in the first 3 years.
According to the latest research, up to 60% of AI projects fail largely due to data overload and crippling silos that can hinder digital transformation. There is no AI without IA. Findability.Accelerate brings to you the right skills, process, and technology to master your wide data and effectively implement enterprise AI.
Findability.Accelerate provides a three-pronged approach. Information architecture. Use a wide data approach to locate critical data and create a prediction engine that can become part of an organization's IP. Platform strategy. Migrate to advanced data and AI platforms with the help of robust tools and technologies. Technology talent. Let experienced professionals manage data and AI footprints and provide 24/7 support.
The Straumann Group, a global leader in dental implantology, wanted to effectively harness its data with AI and achieve its goal of bringing millions of new smiles to the world.
We embarked on a use case-based approach to build this data architecture, leveraging the Accelerate framework in our pursuit to harness the volumes of data that we had collected, gathered over years of serving the overall healthcare business. We started with logistics and customer service processes as the preliminary use cases to transform the data aggregated from our systems of records and system of engagement to measure our performance through KPIs such as fill rate, engagement quality, and net promoter score. We are confident that these foundational building blocks of AI will help us accelerate our business goals to expand the implant market leadership and build direct consumer presence and become the most innovative, customer-centric oral care business.
What are you waiting for? Be AI ready and transform into a data superpower.
Want to know more about how Findability.Accelerate can help you in accelerating your data to AI journey? For every traditional enterprise, there is a Findability Sciences solution.